Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best hummus of your life. First, let's gather our key ingredients. Starting with dried chickpeas is crucial for a truly authentic and flavorful hummus, far surpassing canned varieties. A small amount of baking soda added during cooking will help break down the chickpea skins, ensuring an incredibly smooth texture. And remember, the quality of your tahini makes a huge difference, so choose a good one for that rich, nutty base. Now let's prepare those chickpeas. After soaking them overnight for at least 12 hours, drain and rinse thoroughly. Then cook them with a pinch of baking soda until they are incredibly soft, almost mushy, which usually takes around 60 minutes. This step is vital for a silky smooth hummus. Once cooked, drain them, reserving some of the cooking liquid. Next, combine your tahini and fresh lemon juice in the food processor, blending until light and creamy. To achieve that perfect, airy consistency, gradually add ice water to the tahini and lemon mixture while the processor is running. This emulsifies the tahini and lightens the hummus beautifully. Next, add your cooked chickpeas, fresh garlic, a pinch of cumin and salt. Continue blending for 3 to 5 minutes, scraping down the sides as needed until the hummus is incredibly smooth and fluffy. Taste and adjust seasonings as you go. Finally, it's time to serve your masterpiece. Spoon your homemade hummus into a shallow bowl, create a swirl with the back of a spoon, and drizzle generously with good quality olive oil. A sprinkle of paprika and fresh chopped parsley adds a lovely finish. Serve it warm with fluffy pita bread, crunchy vegetables, or even as a spread in sandwiches. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your incredibly delicious homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.